Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
Tropical storm Elsa is bearing down on Cuba right now, and it's likely to make a landfall on the western part of that country through the day today and into tonight. It's a strong tropical storm, and it's moving fairly quickly. The good news is it's not going to linger for days on end. It's on the move about 14 miles per hour to the north and west, and that's going to put the storm slowly tracking toward that west coast of Florida. It's going to enter the Gulf after making its way off of Cuba tonight into tomorrow morning. It's not likely to make a full landfall near Tampa. Originally, it looked like it was going to make a direct hit there. Now it's going to make a landfall potentially somewhere between Tallahassee and Tampa, a little bit farther to the north, almost where that panhandle begins. And then, as it tracks even more to the north and east, these computer model projections are showing most of the possibilities for this storm from the Midlands to the coast, really focused down just inland of Charleston, almost directly over the I-95 corridor for the potential of our local track. So in the South Carolina region, it is just east of that 95 line, kind of crossing right over areas of Hilton Head and Savannah, then moving up toward Charleston, just barely inland. As it tracks over this way near the coast, our coastal areas will feel tropical storm force winds, have major rain, potentially upwards of 5 inches of rainfall, so flooding will be possible there. Locally, though, we're going to be on the weaker side of the storm, which is good news. And with it being several hundred miles away, it's going to be sending us some scattered rain and storms midweek. But until then, really not looking at a whole lot. Today, maybe a brief sprinkle in the mountains. Today and tomorrow, both generally sunny. Wednesday's forecast, again, mainly coastal rain. We will get sent waves of showers and isolated storms both Wednesday and into Thursday as that storm tracks to the north and east. So our area, not expected to be beautiful midweek, but it's also not going to be terrible. More typical of summertime for us, with maybe just a slightly increased risk of rain. So as far as today goes, it's nice and clear out there right now. We do have some fog, though, especially up toward Franklin, North Carolina. Highs today are going to reach well to about 90 degrees after starting in the 60s to lower 70s. So it's going to be hot. It's going to be humid, and we will see a high get to 90 today and 91 tomorrow ahead of the midweek showers and storms that will bring temperatures back into the low and mid 80s. We'll take another look at all of this coming up, but we want to get to your weather camera, sponsored by Harley-Davidson of Greenville. If you do plan to ride today, it's a great day to do so. It's a pretty comfortable setup if you wanted to get out there on the bike. Chris?